L-atleta Stephen Sammut Nurminen huwa l-ewwel atleta li qaġġera tul kollu ta' sqallija mill-vant sal-punent tal-Gżira li twal ġirja li qatt tagħmel atleta Malti. Dan hekk kif it-tnejn li għadda huwa temp suċċess din il-ġirja ta' 365 km bilan li jinġabru ikliet għas-Sub Kitchen tal-Belt Valletta. Stephen li għandu 37 sena ġera minn Sirakuża sa Marsala f'temp ta' 70 siegħa. Sfida li ma kienx waħda faċli għal dan l-atleta hekk kif inizjattiva ta' dan it-tip tirrikjedi ħafna preparazzjoni kemm fiżika kif ukoll mentali. Fl-ewwel kummenti tiegħu wara li lesta din il-ġirja huwa qal li din kienet esperjenza indimentikabbli li tagħtih sodisfazzjon kbir.
It was a really great experience, to be honest, but it was extremely tough. I knew it was going to be tough getting into it, over 330 kilometers, so I knew what I was kind of getting into, but especially the last 20 to 30 kilometers were extremely painful. Especially knowing that I was towards the end, my mind just sort of shut down completely and relaxed, and I was in a lot of pain. But I had a great team with me, supporting me all the way from start till the end. And I think that's a big reason why I managed to get it done at the end of the day.
Stephen Sammut jinsab sodisfat li permezz ta' din inizjattiva rnexxu li jiġbor iktar fondi sabiex jgħin lis-Sub Kitchen.
I was very satisfied, obviously, when I reached the finish line. Even more so since I tried this round last year, I didn't manage, so it was even more satisfying. More than that, the fact that we have, as at today, managed to collect 1,000 meals for Soup Kitchen, for me that's the most satisfying thing, more than the run itself, to be honest. We still have some work to do because we'd like to reach 2,000 meals. But we're getting there, and it's amazing to see how much support people are giving towards this initiative.
Il-ħamis il-kap tal-Partit Nazzjonalista Grech iltaqa' mal-atleta Stephen Sammut fejn fost oħrajn irringrazzjah għal din l-inizjattiva bi skop nobli. Il-kap tal-Partit Nazzjonalista sqar li kien ta' onur għal pajjiżna li Stephen irnexxielu jtemm din l-isfida b'suċċess.